Emva kwezinsuku ezine lumisiwe lolu hlelo lokutakula, namhlanje kutakulwe oyedwa kanti izinhlanu izidumbu ezitholakele. Umphakathi uqhubekile nokuthumela ukudla emgodini.
Today the team is ready. We are coming to start now to make sure that we take food down there, and at the same time we need to take out people there because as you indicated, they are critically ill, and it's crucial that we start the rescue team as of now.
Umphakathi uthi uzoqhubeka nokutakula ozamazama lapha, angeke uthathe ikhefu uma kufika uKhisimusi.
We're not looking at Christmas because we cannot have Christmas when we have our brothers there dying and so on. So if we have to be here, give them food, we will eat our Christmas here. It's not a problem.
Kusenjalo bebevele enkantolo yemantshi yaseStilfontein ozamazama abatakulwe kulomgodi ngesonto elidlule.